Stop stressing about meal planning. This is the shopping list for this week. Here's a 7-day comfort food plan with gluten-free and vegan options. First up, veggies and fruits. Grab 4 large sweet potatoes, 2 carrots, 4 celery stalks, and 3 onions. Don't forget 2 garlic cloves, a head of cauliflower, 3 zucchinis, and 2 bell peppers. Toss in a can of corn and fresh thyme for flavor, plus optional cilantro for a pop of color. Canned goods and dry ingredients. Stock up on 2 cups of lentils, a can of black beans, and a can of diced tomatoes. You'll need 1 cup of quinoa, gluten-free flour, and vegetable broth too. Spice it up with paprika, garlic powder, and vanilla extract. Sweet tooth? Get dark chocolate, baking powder, maple syrup, and coconut oil. Meat and dairy-free alternatives. For protein, choose between 500 g ground beef or lentils and 2 chicken breasts or tofu. Also 2 cups of dairy-free cheese and some vegan butter. Finally, your essentials: olive oil, salt, and pepper. This list makes comfort food fun, easy, and inclusive for everyone. Happy cooking! Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more delicious recipes.